Un'altra parola catalogese sono stirnicchiata. What does it mean? It means I'm lying down. Sono sdraiata. I'm all stretched out and relaxing, taking it easy. That's today's Sicilian word for you. Stirnicchiata means laying down. In Italian, it's sdraiata. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And stay tuned for Big Mamas Gather every Wednesday at 8 p.m. live on Instagram. And then I'll repost it again on YouTube and all my other social media platforms. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.